teachers or LEPP secondary level. He is awarded by Executive Order number 35 Series of 2026 issued by Honorable Mayor Maria Gina E. Darlu and Sangguniang Bayan number Resolution number 2026-188 sponsored by Honorable May J. Angeli Morabi Puranes. He will also be receiving a cash incentive of 7,500 pesos pursuant to SB Resolution number 2015-270. To award, may I call on Mayor Maria Gina E. Darlu, together with the proud parent of Sir Carl Lanza, we have Ma'am Nelita Lanza. Together with Mayor are our SB members, we have Committee on Education, Honorable Chair Miguel, Dr. Niki Octa, Honorable Engineer May J. Puranes, and Honorable Lau Jillian. Aside from an academic achievement by our fellow Peruviano, we will also be awarding an executive order issued by the municipal mayor commending and congratulating Miss Shereen May C. De Los Reyes for her outstanding athletic achievement in Karate Do Women Senior category, winning gold in the 2026 Regional Prisaa and silver in the National Prisaa held in Bacolod, Negros Oriental. Once again, the award is Shereen May C. De Los Reyes of Barangay Licor. She will also be receiving a total of 12,500 pesos incentive coming from the local government unit for her sports academic achievement. I believe her parents is here. Sir? Sir Erwin De Los Reyes and Ma'am Doris De Los Reyes. Miss De Los Reyes is a proud student of St. Paul's School of Professional Studies. Again, she won medals in the recently concluded Private Schools Athletic Association or PROSA.